Want to make sure followers see your Facebook post? You're in the right place. I'm Christina, and this is the Social Media Strategy Lab. I run a 6-figure business completely built on social media, and I'm here to help you make the most of your Facebook page, whether you want to reach new audiences or just make more money. So let's talk about how to tag followers on Facebook so that everyone can see your post. Now, this has changed a lot over the years. So you will see a lot of people tell you you can at followers to tag your followers, but you'll see when you type that in, nothing comes up, and that's because Facebook has disabled this feature. So as of the current time, June 2026, you cannot at followers. However, there are a few ways to tag people in Facebook posts to help get certain posts, really important posts, get more visibility. So the first option is at everyone. So at everyone only works in a group. So this is my public group and I'm an admin or a moderator. So this only works in groups where you're an admin or a moderator. So you simply go in and you type in at everyone, and then you see this option, at everyone. It'll have your group's profile photo, and some members might receive notifications. So you can add everyone and then important notice, and then people in your group will get a notification that you posted something in the group. Now, this is restricted. You have to be an admin or a moderator, and you can't use this all the time. I think you can use it once every 24 hours, but Facebook doesn't want you spamming your group members with notifications, so you can't use this 10 times a day. And as I said, you have to be an admin or a moderator, so you see if I go to a different group and type at everyone, I no longer see that option, so it has to be your group. Now, if you want to tag followers on your Facebook page, not in a group, but on a public page, then there is still a way to do that. Back on my page, I'm posting something, and this is something I want everyone to see, so I can say important notice, and then I can tag at top fans. And so I can no longer tag all of my followers, but I can tag all of my top fans. And then Facebook will make sure that the people on my page that are super engaged with my page, that really want to know what I'm sharing, will see this. And Facebook got rid of the at followers and added the at top fans so that we can only really kind of spam the people who we know are really interested in our content. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.